this is Lok from Hong Kong. This is my model Giselle.
Hi.
Today I'm very happy to continue to share Goldwell's new Oxycur lightening powder. I can have more control over the lightening process. Also, most importantly, the hair is healthier. Let's do it. It's a wonderful result and the hair is in perfect condition. Now I will perform the cooling surface with Lightening and a pure pigment cool violet. Let's start. Hope you like the result and enjoy the video. Don't forget subscribe Goldwell Education Plus channel. See you.